rectangular living and the dining area. So the kitchen is much more spacious, like easily 2-person, and this is the most spacious room of your house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Harmony Gardens, a project developed by Disha Habitat, and this project is developed in Hennur, North Bangalore, and we are here to check out their model flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of Harmony Garden. So right now I'm standing in front of our site. So basically this is the marketing office of our project, and the actual site is opposite to our project, and this will be the main entrance and the construction work which you can have a look on. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 3.25 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 14 floors, offering you 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies that gives you full privacy and keeps your community open and airy. Now let's talk about the amenities part, and this project offers you 30 plus world class amenities like a forest area, senior citizen sit out area, swimming pool, celebration lounge with BBQ zone, party hall, banquet, gym, kids play area, sports court, and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located on Doddagubbೆ main road in Hennur, North Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Doddagubbೆ main road taking you towards Anganapura, and the opposite side road will take you towards Tanisandra main road. So you can connect to Manyata Tech Park in 10 minutes, KIATB is 20 minutes away, and airport is 25 minutes from your location. So now this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1745 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful model flat. So here's the main entrance with the 8-feet door and teak wood. So once you enter, let me show you the rectangular living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can add up your sofa set, your couches, and exactly over this side you can add up your TV unit space. The other part of the living area, you can have a look. This is the dining area where you can easily add up your 8 to 6 seater of dining table in a very spacious way. Now, they have provided this balcony which is attached to your living and the dining area. So once you enter, you can have a look. This is not just a balcony. This is a deck area, the spacious one with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring. Here's the iron railing right over here. And this balcony is much more spacious where you can add up the sofa set, your bean bag, your couch, or even a dining table sort of. So you can have a sip of coffee, your breakfast with a beautiful view. Now once you step inside, let me show you the kitchen area with the easy access to your dining area. So right over this side is the kitchen area. One thing to mention over here, the kitchen is much more spacious, like easily 2-person can work together and enter inside. So you can have a look with the beautiful interior work done for your reference with the platform, the cabinets, and the utility space, which is right over this side. So in the utility space, they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and the provision for your machines. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So your 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house. So right over this side is your bedroom number 1, and the spacious bedroom with a bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose where they have provided the window which is divided into 2 parts. One is movable and one is not. And right over this side you can add up your study table, your work table, or whatever you need. Other side is your wardrobe space. Now let's move further towards your next bedroom. So before moving to that bedroom, right in the center is your common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. The bathing area is divided by a tile drop. And now this is the entrance for your bedroom number 2. So once you enter, they have added up the foyer area for your privacy. And the interior says that this is your kids' bedroom because they have added up the study table near the window. Here's the bed space. And the best part is the balcony. So they have provided a balcony which comes up with wooden finishing flooring, anti-skid tiles and iron railing. The spacious balcony for your kids' bedroom. Now once you step inside, right over here is your wardrobe space. Now, before you move and step outside this room, right over this side is the attached washroom. Yes, they have provided a private washroom for your kids' bedroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom which is placed other side. Now let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's enter towards your master bedroom. So this is the main entrance of your master bedroom with the foyer area. And this is the most spacious room of your house and the coziest one. You can have a look at the beautiful interior work done with the bed space right in the center of the room. And there is ample of space to move around. Here's the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Your work table, your TV unit can be fit here. Here is the wardrobe space. And one more thing. There is 2 wardrobe space. One is hidden right over this side. Attached private washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now as you all know, we are here in Hennur location. Have you checked another project in Hennur? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of this project, you can check out in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.